Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to add your website to your Truth Social profile. This is useful if you want your followers to visit your website directly from your profile. We will go through the process clearly so anyone can do it easily. First, open the Truth Social app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Next, click on the profile option to access your personal details. Once you are on the profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. Then, scroll down to find the Website field. Click on the field and type in the URL of your website carefully. Make sure there are no errors in the address, so your followers can access it without problems. Finally, after entering your website, scroll to the bottom and click the Save button. This will update your profile, and your website link will now be visible to anyone who visits your profile. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips.